What up? It's your boy, Luke for Prez, back yet again with another video for you guys. Hope everyone is doing well out there. Today I have a quick tutorial for Logic Gang. This is how to export your track stems. So as you can see here, I have a beat that I recently completed open, and it is ready to export. So the first thing that I do is figure out where I want the stems to go. So let me pull up the folder I have for all my beats, and within that folder I create a new folder that I title the same thing that I title all of my new tracks before they have titles, which is just the date that they were created. So in this case, I'm going to title this 12/11/2020 stems. So now I have a folder ready for the stems to be imported to. From there, all you do is go up to File, go down to Export, select all tracks as audio files, and make sure that this yellow bar at the top takes up your entire track and it's getting everything. And then once you've double checked that, go ahead and click that button, all tracks as audio files, and then from there go to the folder that you are looking to export the files into. And let me find it here. There it is, the one I just created. And as you can see, there's nothing in there because we just created it. And then simply click export and let it go ahead and do its thing. And boom, there you go. It is all done. So now if we go back to our folder here that we created and we open it, boom, we can see the track stems are there. The final step that I do, because I upload my beats to BeatStars, is I right click the folder and then click compress. And that basically creates a zip file that makes it easier to upload to places like BeatStars, or to email these stems off to an artist you might be working with, or whatever the case may be. That of course is an optional step, but there it is. And that is all there is to it. That is how you export your track stems in Logic Pro X. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.